Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a service website on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the website section next to the print button and search the last option, the service website. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. If you want to add the text to your project, just go to the text button and click to the add a text box option, and here you can search different font type and templates. If you want to draft, go to the draft section and just draft to the canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. Now you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to change the picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button and select a picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. Now, if you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the gilded display text style button, and here you can select another text style and font type. Just select one and step on it. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. If you go to the animate section next to the effects button, you can animate your text, for example, rise, pan, fade and more. And if you go to the effects section, you can add different effects to the text, for example, shadows and particular shapes format. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.